Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This series is a little different and honestly a lot more personal. We're heading out on a road trip from Pennsylvania all the way down to New Orleans and Biloxi. But this isn't just a travel vlog, it's also about how we travel as a family, especially with my son who has Phelan McDermid syndrome, autism, and intellectual disability. This is our route, Pennsylvania to Louisiana.
Yeah, Alex is ready for his vacation. Are you ready? Let's go on vacation. Gotta get all your stuff together. You excited, Alex? We're gonna go on vacation. Louisiana, here he comes. I know it's early in the morning, but it's a 17-hour drive. So that's a long way to go. 17 hours, yeah. Here we go. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I know. You gonna go have fun? You gonna go have fun? Go ahead. Are you watching Mom? Good, buddy. There you go.
As we were leaving, we discovered that Alex's tracking watch band was broke, so we'll have to pick one up on the way.
Alex has this thing that he wears that has medical information inside to protect him from if we were in an accident, that the emergency responders would know exactly what safety precautions they should take. Sorry for the dirty window, but the state of Pennsylvania has a yellow dot system, and you keep this yellow dot on your car, but also in your glove box you have a yellow dot folder, and it also alerts individuals that Alex may have special needs when traveling. We also have this sticker here that alerts the first-time responders to that Alex is in the car and that he may need special assistance.
And I'll be honest, this first video is the calm before the storm. Because by the time you reach the final part of the series, things take very unexpected turns. The kind you can't plan for, no matter how much you prepare, how much preparation you do. Our family photos are always like this. We have to take multiple pictures to make sure that Alex is looking and that we're not looking at Alex.
The welcome centers have bathrooms, and typically there's like a tourist area that you get brochures. This one's in Virginia. Typically they have maps, maybe a sign, but that's about it. Our rest centers aren't big tourist attractions like some countries. Wheelchair accessible. Lots of trucks. Hey Alex! Oh, stay put! Alex is doing his gaming on his Toby Dynavox, but now he wants out of the car. But we just stopped, so we're not gonna get out. Dad's gonna get you some French toast sticks.
Picked up some gas station food so we could not have to wait too long and hit the road again.
We're now in Virginia, and this is what we're seeing as scenery. Farms, kind of rolling hills.
On this trip, we're trying a new no-spill water bottle spout to increase Alex's ease to drink out of a soda bottle or a water bottle. You can see that you can sip from it using a straw or just sip it directly from the spout. Alex seems to need supervision to prevent spills still. This is a nice portion of the trip where you can see some farms. Much of the trip is just lined with trees, so you don't really get a good view of the scenery around the area. Alex is relaxing in his Kool-Aid socks.
They are chickens.
They're turkeys.
Oh, they're turkeys?
Look at their heads.
Big. Shenandoah Valley Tourist Information Center. It's coming up. New Market Historical District. Shenandoah National Park. Skyline Drive. We are still in Virginia, off the highway, off of 81. And this is a rest stop area. Looks like a nice place you can walk your dog. There's a little dog down there. We also have some picnic tables back here. It's a small area and a small rest stop. Looks like they have some flyers about places to go, things to see in the area, and bathrooms, and some vending machines.
On the way home from Louisiana, we saw this cross, and it was all lit up at night. It looked really cool.
Alright, we're in Tennessee now. Woo-hoo! Tennessee welcomes you. All touristy. Stopping at Buddy's Barbecue. Hopefully for some barbecue sandwiches, or maybe we'll luck out with catfish. Okay, we got Buddy's Barbecue. We all got barbecue sandwiches, and they look like this. I'm gonna put my coleslaw on the sandwich. We got a side of coleslaw. We got lots of sauces and lemonade and iced tea, and Chet is opening his now. Yum. The sandwich was great. The pickles were really garlicky, and the coleslaw was good too. The tea is great as well. We've been traveling from Pennsylvania all the way down to Tennessee on Route 81 South. It's been a very, very easy ride, and but the road is kind of boring. There's not much to see. Soon, in about 35 minutes, we will be changing to a different road and going west. We've got 4 miles to Route 40 West. Get off 81. Look at those clouds. We're now on Route 40, and it looks pretty much the same, just easy driving highways.
We're stuck in traffic in Knoxville, Tennessee. The driving's getting better, The traffic has slowed a little bit, and now we're driving through Knoxville, Tennessee.
We're now on 75 South towards Chattanooga. But the road still looks very similar to the last road. That's a cute smiley face. That's Chattanooga, I believe.
Outside of Chattanooga. This is the Tennessee River.
We are now on 59 South, headed for Louisiana. We have 6 hours and 47 minutes left to go. We're in Georgia now, headed for Alabama. There's not much here in Georgia, not even that many cars. There's houses up here on the mountain, but
Oh, they got baby cows.
Sweet Home Alabama. We just got to the Alabama rest station, or the rest stop. We've got this deer statue. It's not big, but it's very nice. Information center. It's so much greener here than it is up north. There's more flowers blooming, and the weather's pretty warm. I would be ready for shorts tomorrow. That was a very nice rest stop. It had oodles of brochures to let you know what to do in Alabama. And they're having some sort of anniversary this year. And I got some brochures. Maybe we'll come back another year. But back to the car we go. We'll make it 6 more hours. Still in Alabama, on the way to Louisiana.
We left this morning before the sun came up, and now the sun is starting to set. Very pretty skies.
Oh, there's a rainbow, guys.
See, Daddy?
Hang on, I'm gonna try to take a picture.
Get a picture of me.
Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know.
It's over by me, the bridge. Look straight across. See it?
It's an exhausting drive. I think if I did it again, I would break it up into 2 or 3 days.
Welcome Center, Mississippi. We are in Mississippi now. Not that you can see it. You'll see Mississippi tomorrow. Up here's a sign. Welcome to Mississippi. You'll see it better tomorrow. We're going to the beach possibly tomorrow.
Just watched 17 hours of traveling plus stops in 17 minutes. Much more enjoyable to sit on your couch and watch this than to be actually in the car. It was a long drive.
No welcome to Louisiana sign. Well, we're in Louisiana now, but no sign. That's disappointing.
So they put the carrier down.
Welcome to Louisiana. I got it.
We finally made it to the Super 8 New Orleans. If you made it to the end of this video, you're really going to love the next 3 videos. The next 3 videos are so much more exciting. We go on a shrimp boat trip, we go on an alligator trip, and then things happen at the end that you'll have to see. Don't forget to subscribe.